PCA helps prevent collisions while parking in reverse. With the tailgate and doors closed, shift to R to activate PCA. Press and hold the parking safety button to manually toggle PCA. If there is a risk of collision while parking in reverse, a warning will sound. If the vehicle does not stop reversing after the warning sounds, PCA will stop the vehicle. Press the brake pedal to deactivate braking control. PCA will deactivate when the gear is shifted, or after 5 minutes of operation. PCA can be set in the infotainment system.
Kia, movement that inspires.